Hi everybody, thanks for joining me today in this video, and I'm going to show you an easy acrylic landscape painting. I'm doing this painting on my sketchbook, which is from Menora, and I'm working with camel acrylic colors. So I'm starting with a painting the sky, and I'm using a color mixture of Prussian blue, crimson lake and white. Make sure that the brush is moderately wet because I want to bring an impressionistic look in my painting. Dabbing the top areas with rich pigmented colors, and gradually when I'm coming downwards, the color is mixed with white. You can see that the brush is almost dry, and I'm really using water here, and I want to create a dramatic effect of clouds and the sunset sky, and for this I'm using some amount of orange with the mixture, and when this layer gets dried I will just take cadmium yellow and little amount of scarlet red, and this mixture will give you the color orange in case you don't have orange with you. And when the background layer gets dried, I am just using this orange mixture to create an effect of sunset clouds, and gradually when it's moving downwards the clouds will become lighter in shade, and here you need to add white with the color, and this will give you the effect of tiny amount of sun rays peeping through these clouds. Now I am almost done with painting the sky, and let's get started with painting the landscape or the horizon. Here I am using purple color of the sky, which you already know I have used Prussian blue and crimson lake and white for this purple, and I'm making a landscape feature of mountains like structure. This will be a rugged topography, maybe a plateau area or a rocky area, and the distant mountains will appear as purple heads, and gradually when you will come downwards it will end into a greener effect. The green I am using here is sap green, which is mixed with little amount of white, and when I am painting the more greener areas I am using ultramarine blue along with the sap green, and you can also add a little amount of deep green as well, and you just need to blend each and every color really well, and don't forget to add white wherever necessary, and make sure you keep the harmony of the colors right. For this you need to set your color palette or limit your color palette for 2 to 3 colors, and you can paint using these 3 colors. You can see in my painting that I have used purple, orange and some amount of green and blue. So I have limited my palette to these 4 colors only, and which is creating a harmony in my painting, and gradually when I'm done with covering almost all of my painting surface with paint, I will take a fine brush and add little bit of detailings. I will use a darker shade of the background and add small features like floating clouds, rugged feature in the mountainous areas, and just keep adding this kind of little features. And in the valley areas, you can see I have taken deep green. You can also take Prussian blue along with the green, and it will give you a deep green. And with this I am adding little plant like structures, and the painting is almost done. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this painting video. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any queries regarding this painting. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more painting videos, and do follow me on Instagram for work in progresses and behind the scenes. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.